Okay, so with this question then, Marlon went to New Zealand on holiday, exchanged £800 for New Zealand dollars. So that's obviously going to be important for us. And when he arrived there, and he spent $1,391 whilst he was in New Zealand. At the end of his visit, he changed the dollars he had left over into as many $10 notes as possible. Okay, he kept these $10 notes, and he placed the rest of the money in a charity box at the airport. On his return to the UK, he changed the $10 notes into pounds. And then you've got the exchange rates here, and how many pounds did he receive on his return. So we've got a nice little story, okay? But what we need to do is just take the important information here and break it down, okay? So take one line at a time. So he exchanged £800 after he arrived for New Zealand dollars. And we've got the exchange rate here, okay? When he arrived in New Zealand, £1 is $2.08. So he exchanged £800, okay, into dollars. Now when you change pounds into dollars, you change your currency into a foreign currency, you need to multiply. Okay, so you do 2.08 and you get 1,664 dollars. Alright, so we can say that he exchanged. You can make a little statement if you want. We don't need to write a story, okay? For these communication marks, just make sure that you are stating different things as you're working through, you're explaining what you're working out and so on. So then he spent $1,391 in New Zealand, so we need to work out how much he had left if you think about it. So after he spent, right, we need to see how much dollars he had. So we could say dollars remaining, yeah? So you're actually stating what you're working out, the dollars that are remaining. So we started with 1664 and you take away 1391, okay, and you get $273. So then you wanted to change them into as many $10 as notes as possible. You kept these $10 notes. You place the rest of the money in a charity box. So if you think about $10 notes here, okay, well, he's not going to get a $10 note from the $3 coins. So you can say he placed $3 in the charity box. Okay, so he's left with $270 and left with $270. Now we need to see how many $10 notes there are in here, alright? Or do we actually need to work that out? We don't we? Because we just simply need to realise that he is looking at it in terms of how many notes he's got in terms of $10. So he's got 27 of them, but that gives us $270. The $3 goes into charity box. All we've got to do now is exchange it back, right, into pounds. So exchange rate there is given when you exchange it back. So because we're going back to pounds, you need to divide by the exchange rate. When you go back to your home currency, you need to divide. So we work that out on my calculator, and you get £120. Okay, so he received £120 after exchanging when returning home.